Hey guys, welcome to the first look at another simulation I've been working on. It's in its very early stages, but my humble aims with this project is to simulate all of human civilization, so it's got a long way to go. If you like what you see, please stick around until the end, as I need your help. I plan to alternate between this and the evolution simulator in subsequent videos. Let me know if that works for you. Any thoughts at all, please let me know in the comments below. And without further ado, let's begin. On the startup screen, you can either generate a new world, or you can use the pre-existing Earth map, which is the one we'll use first. You can choose what dimensions you want the world to be, how many countries you want populating that world, and then you can begin. Each country now expands its territory by setting up new farming villages. These can now grow into towns and cities. However, not all the land is suitable for human civilization. Only light green territory is what they can settle for now. I think this also shows the impact of geography in shaping national borders. At the side of the main screen, there's a mini-map. This shows the solid country colour rather than the province colour of the main map. The green tiles, with the Fs, are farming villages. The red tiles, with a H, are housing units that surround cities. They have a brown variant, which represents a city that's not independent of another city. And the black squares, with a G, are the city centres. Those little guys you see running around, they're the army units. For now they just patrol friendly territory, but in the future they'll be used to wage war. Zooming in a level closer, you can see a more detailed view. Here you can see the street layout and the buildings themselves. The colour of the buildings corresponds to the tile colour on the world map. However, the buildings are also red in the farms as well. The yellow is the farmlands where they actually grow food, and the brown lines are the roads which connect the buildings, the farmlands and adjacent tiles to each other. Zooming in again, you can see the actual buildings themselves. The different colours correspond to different room types, and you can see the individual NPCs themselves. For now they just move around randomly. In the future they'll have needs, jobs, leisure activities they can attend to. You can also right click to take control of any NPC on the map. The NPC you're controlling is denoted by the icon there, which I'll probably have to change. As stated at the beginning, you can also generate a world yourself. Startup is largely the same at the beginning, of course. You choose the dimensions, how many countries you want. But now you're given a blank slate where you can choose to add more water, more land, to reject the world entirely, start over, or to ultimately accept it. And you can zoom in to increasing detail levels as before. By going down one final level, we can view the world in first person. As you can see, getting the 3D to work was a bit of trial and error, but I got there in the end. But with that out of the way, we can now jump into first person and explore the world, hopefully without any game breaking visual errors. The big blocks you see before you are the houses. You see there are many pretty colours. The colours correspond to the room type that they're currently a part of. We'll probably change this in the future to look more like a house, but I think it has a certain charm. To see within the houses themselves, we can select an NPC from the screen and then jump back into first person. Now we can move around in first person as she would, and we get to explore her house. The way it's currently modelled, each NPC lives a maximum of 10 in-game years, but they can die a lot sooner than that. Time moves much faster on the main map, so if we jump back into first person, you can see now they've aged up from 0 to 2. And yes, she has been in the same place for the last 2 years because we've been in control of her the entire time. Allowing more time to pass, we can now see that she's in a different house. She's moved out of her childhood home because she's now an adult. Now the world is fully explorable. This includes the areas not inhabitable by people. Here you can see the savannah meeting the rainforest, which is the green in the background, with the blue oceans. There's currently no animals or ecosystems existing in these habitats, but that's definitely something I would like to add in the future. Here we can also see where the deserts meet a mountain and where the ice meets the ocean. Thanks for watching until the end. As I said at the beginning, I'd really appreciate your help letting me know what kind of features you'd like to see. I really like it if we built this as a community, I could implement the ideas that you guys have. I'm also now on Patreon, any support would be appreciated. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time.